Solubility. Solubility is a crucial conceptual that refers to the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in a given quantity of solvent at a specific temperature to form a stable solution. Definition of solubility. Solubility is defined as the concentration of the solute in a saturated solution at a specific temperature. It is usually expressed in terms of grams of solute per 100 grams of solvent or in moles per liter. Factors affecting solubility. Nature of solute and solvent, like dissolves like polar solutes tend to dissolve in polar solvents and nonpolar solutes dissolve in nonpolar solvents. Temperature. For solids and liquids generally the solubility of solid solutes in liquid solvents increases with temperature. For example, more sugar dissolves in hot water than in cold water. For gases the solubility of gases in liquids typically decreases with an increase in temperature. This is why cold carbonated beverages retain fizz better than warm ones. Pressure. For solids and liquids, pressure has a negligible effect on the solubility of solids and liquids. For gases, the solubility of gases in liquids increases with an increase in pressure described by Henry's law. This principle is applied in carbonated drinks where CO is dissolved under high pressure. Types of solutions based on solubility. Unsaturated solution contains less solute than the maximum amount that can be dissolved at a given temperature. Saturated solution contains the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved at a given temperature. Any additional solute will remain undissolved. Supersaturated solution contains more solute than can be dissolved at the current temperature. This is an unstable state and the excess solute can precipitate out upon disturbance. Quantitative aspects of solubility. A. Solubility product, KSP. For sparingly soluble salts, the solubility product constant, KSP, is used to describe the equilibrium between the undissolved solid and its ions in solution. It is given by the product of the concentrations of the ions, each raised to the power of its stoichiometric coefficient. Applications of solubility. A pharmaceutical industry. Understanding solubility is crucial in the formulation of drugs to ensure proper absorption in the body. B. Environmental science. Solubility plays a role in the distribution of pollutants in water bodies. C. Chemical reactions. Predicting the formation of precipitates in reactions helps in qualitative analysis and in various industrial processes.